Welcome to the transformation of Medford Leas, a premier senior living community in Medford, New Jersey. CNC Construction Management Incorporated is proud to be leading this multi-phase renovation, enhancing both the comfort and experience of residents. Beginning with the existing, occupied sections of Medford Leas, our team has upgraded community bathrooms, resident lounges, dining areas, and nurses' stations. The atrium and corridors have also been revitalized, creating a more modern and inviting environment. As part of the expansion, we introduced new amenities, including a bistro, outdoor patio, library, and Pub 445, a vibrant space featuring a full-service bar, game room with billiards and shuffleboard, and personal wine lockers for residents. One of the standout features in the new bistro is a custom centerpiece light fixture from LightArt. Due to its massive size, our team, along with engineers and subcontractors, devised a precise plan to lift it by crane and lower it through the ceiling, an incredible feat of coordination and craftsmanship. Now, CNC Construction has recently completed the next phase, a brand new natatorium featuring a pool designed for exercise and therapy, along with state-of-the-art locker rooms. This phase also includes a fitness studio and an arts and crafts room, adding even more ways for residents to stay active and engaged. Through innovation and expert craftsmanship, CNC Construction is bringing Medford Leas into the future, enhancing spaces and experiences for the entire community.